Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the topic quadratic equations, which is a topic of class 10th ICSE. It is a very important topic with respect to algebra. So I hope everyone is excited. Okay. Now, a quadratic equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 2. Okay, highest power of the variable should be 2, and such equations are called quadratic equation. For examples, 5y square plus 10y minus 3 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. 4a square plus 5a equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. X square equal to 9 is a quadratic equation, etc. All these are examples of quadratic equation. Now, why was this given the name quadratic? Okay, so the word quadratic comes from the Latin word quadratum, which means square. Now we all know that the area of a square is its side multiplied by its side, right? So let's imagine a square having side length equal to x. So what would be its area? Its area would become x squared. Its area would become x squared, and therefore we have come up with the word quadratic equations for an expression having highest power 2. Okay, now the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Very important, students. Here a cannot be equal to 0. Okay, a cannot be equal to 0. The reason is because if a becomes 0, the whole equation won't be a quadratic equation. It will become a linear equation. Okay, another example of an equation is 4x square plus 15x minus x equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in standard form.